I'm keen to dive a little bit deeper into coming off the back of a loss. How do you mentally prepare coming into this fight? Is there anything that you've kind of changed, or is there like a mantra, or is there something that you've really been focusing on mentally leading into this?
Yeah, well, look, the last fight against Joey Spencer that I fought, I had to prepare myself mentally, coming back from a loss. So sort of just put it all on the line. I thrived under pressure.
Yeah.
I tried to bring it all in, but at the same time, I didn't really feel it too much.
Yeah.
And it was more about not thinking about the fight, but just weekly battles to win. Each week I would make a goal that I would need to achieve and just try to tick it all off the list.